What up, guys? How's it going over there? So, before me, you're seeing my setup on is 30. I've been on just two trades this week. That was this morning and and last week. This morning and last week. So, this is the I dropped the USD chef running, US30 running. This is the USD chef entry setup I dropped on my channel. And this is the US30 entry setup I dropped on my channel. This is the 4 hour setup while I was still waiting for price to do what I wanted it to do. And then as for the USD chef, is the setup. I had the setup was in last week Friday, and it's already playing out nicely. It's playing out nicely already. Yeah, so this is USD chef. So both trades are running fine. So let's dive right in back in. I'm going to break down this US30 setup in a very simple way. I'm going to break this down. You guys already know how I trade. You guys already know what I look out for. But nevertheless, I'm still gonna break this down so that we can understand it in a better way. You understand? Yeah. So right now, this is the setup. Okay. Let me use this chart instead. Yeah. Because this is the chart that is on my MT5, which I play the trade. Now we're looking at I'm actually looking at two things here. Now, first of all, I was looking at price after breaking this structure here, buying up to this zone, and then retracing down, coming to clear out this zone here, this key level. And secondly, I was looking at price also coming to this key level and then taking off from here to the upside. Yeah. So like I normally do, I'm going to delete everything here. Let's start this again over from the beginning so you can see how I took the trade. Okay. So now this is it. What am I seeing on this time frame? It's pretty simple. Now, I have seen a break of structure first of all, a valid break of structure. It shows that there's momentum on this move. This is a valid break of structure right here. Okay, I'm locking that. Now look at what price did. Look at what market did. It came here, momentum to the downside, and then another momentum to the downside that closed below this low. It closed below the low, right? So now, what next am I looking for? My 50% Fibonacci in the order block. 50% order block Fibonacci to show that price is actually coming to sell. I'm going to mark out the 50% premium price. This is the premium price. I'm going to mark it out so I can delete this. So now I've gotten these two criteria. Thirdly, I'm going to mark out a key level for an exit. This is the key level for an exit. Okay. So now I'm going to head to the 15 minutes to see what market actually has for us. Okay. Now taking a very good look at this, taking a very good look at this, we can see that what this is where the entry paid out. Okay, it paid out inside the premium price. So therefore, this is what I saw here. This is a stop hunt, right? And it was a break of structure. Okay, as a stop hunt and a break of structure. You can see that clearly as a stop hunt and a break of structure. So now, where is price breaking this structure? And remember that I don't just want any break of structure. I want a break of structure with a full body candle as well. So this is breaking the structure right here. This is breaking the structure right here. And then where is my entry going to be? my entry is going to be at this key level here. That key level is also known as forgotten what they call it again, breaker block, yeah, breaker block. So I just took the key level candle or the candle close. So my entry was from here. Where's my stop loss going to be? My stop loss is going to be at the invalidation zone. As I always say, at the invalidation zone, that's the next high. The next high after this high in the previous side. Okay. The next high after this is this. Rather keep it here because they are close by. So therefore, we're going to wait for price to rally down to our take profit, which is down here. Okay. So this is 3.90. Let's give it a 1 is to 4 turns. So this is 1 is to 4. And we are going to be riding this trade. We're going to be riding this trade. Okay. We're going to be patient, wait for markets to do what it wants to do, and boom, stop loss, take profit, whichever one. The outcome is the market. All right. So that is that on my analysis for US30, which I just saw this morning. Let's check out how USD is going. See how USD is going. This, mind you, this is still US30. This is still US30. Right. The analysis I did in the morning, still the same thing. Okay, this is USD chef. Been holding this trade since Thursday or Friday, I think. Been holding this trade since Thursday or Friday. Yeah, Friday. Been holding this trade since on Friday. So hopefully market does something tangible this week and gives us a profit, a very good take profit. Okay. So these are the two trades I'm looking out for. This guy and this guy. Okay. So these two trades are the trades I'll be taking this week. Okay. So if any other opportunity presents itself, I'm going to make sure to come here, analyze it, break it down, and you guys also trade with me. All right. So that is that for the day. That's that for today. So see you guys in my next video and subscribe to this channel for more educational content like this. So guys, catch ya. See ya later.